mag-extend ng kanilang oras, magsakripisyo ng kanilang finances para i-extend ang tulong na kailangan ng bawat isa sa atin. Doon sa mga panahong napakababa ng iyong sitwasyon, sa mga panahong akala mo hindi ka na makakaahon, who is that person that when you fall, you will call? Hallelujah. Because we have to thank these people. I wonder, meron ka ba talagang mga tunay na kaibigan na laging nariyan pagka nanghingi ka ng tulong, kahit alas 3 ng madaling araw, sasagutin ang tawag mo, pupuntahan ka kahit ka nasaan, because they are willing to sacrifice and extend help sa bawat isa sa atin. I just want you to appreciate and look and thank God for all the people that God has placed in your life. I just want you to pause and thank God for all the brothers that God has placed in your life. I just want you to pause and thank God for all the sisters that God has placed in your life. In fact, mauna na ako. I just want to thank God for this church that God has placed in my life. Kasi yung simbahang ito ay nakatulong sa akin to cope up with everything that I went through. I just want to thank God for my wife, for my family.